Join me as I put the UMIDIGI G9T to the test and see if its Android 14 and 90Hz display can handle everything I throw at it. The UMIDIGI G9T is a smartphone that's been making waves with its impressive specs, particularly its Android 14 operating system and 90Hz display. These features are significant because they promise a smoother, more responsive user experience. Android 14, being the latest iteration of Google's mobile OS, brings a host of improvements under the hood, while the 90Hz display ensures that visuals are fluid and engaging. Many of us have experienced frustration with smartphones that struggle to keep up with our demanding daily tasks. Slow performance and mediocre display quality can make even the simplest activities feel like a chore. For instance, have you ever been stuck with an app that freezes on you, or watched a video with a choppy, unengaging display? It's moments like these that highlight the importance of a device that can handle multiple tasks with ease and provide a visually pleasing experience. Laggy performance and subpar displays aren't just minor annoyances, they can significantly impact our daily productivity and entertainment. Imagine trying to switch between apps seamlessly, or enjoying a game with responsive controls and crisp graphics. A device that falls short in these areas can quickly become a source of frustration. In addition to performance issues, display quality plays a critical role in our overall smartphone experience. A higher refresh rate like 90 Hz can make a noticeable difference in how we interact with our devices. Whether you're scrolling through social media, watching videos, or playing games, a smoother display enhances the experience. The 90 Hz display on the UMIDIGI G9T isn't just about aesthetics, it's about creating a more immersive and engaging experience. With Android 14 at its core, this smartphone is poised to deliver not only snappy performance but also a visually stunning one. Android 14 brings several enhancements that make it a noteworthy upgrade. One of its key benefits is improved performance, which means that apps launch faster, and switching between them is smoother. Additionally, Android 14 offers enhanced security features, ensuring that your device and data are better protected. The 90 Hz display on the UMIDIGI G9T takes the user experience to the next level, especially during gaming and video playback. A higher refresh rate means less screen tearing and a more responsive interaction with the device. This makes fast-paced games and action-packed videos a joy to engage with. To truly put the UMIDIGI G9T to the test, let's look at a performance test that pushes its capabilities. Running a demanding game on the device shows just how well it handles graphics and processing power. The G9T handles it with ease, thanks to its efficient processor and ample RAM. In real-world usage, the combination of Android 14 and the 90 Hz display on the UMIDIGI G9T results in a seamless experience. Whether it's browsing the web, multitasking, or enjoying multimedia content, this smartphone proves to be more than capable. Recapping the main points, the UMIDIGI G9T stands out with its Android 14 operating system and 90 Hz display. These features combine to offer a powerful and visually engaging smartphone experience that addresses common pain points like performance and display quality. If you have a favorite smartphone feature, let me know in the comments below. Also, be sure to check out my other videos for more tech reviews and hands-on experiences with the latest gadgets. UMIDIGI G9T cell phone, Android 14 smartphone unlocked, 6.75 inches HD plus 90 Hz display, 5000 mAh battery, 18 watts fast charging, 8 plus 128 GB/1 TB TF, 13 MP camera, AI face and fingerprint unlock, 4G dual SIM, GPS. Brand UMIDIGI. Operating system Android 14. RAM memory installed size 4 GB. CPU speed 1.6 GHz. Memory storage capacity 128 GB. Screen size 6.75 inches. Resolution 720 by 1600. Refresh rate 90 Hz. Model name G9T. Wireless carrier unlocked for all carriers. Android14 and UNISOC 606 PROCESSOR. UMIDIGI G9T phone is powered by Android 14, which is smooth, user-friendly and combines intelligence with ingenuity. The Octa-Core UNISOC T606 chipset features a TSMC 12 nanometers process and a CPU with clock speed up to 1.6 GHz. 6.7590HZEYECAREDISPLAY. The G9T smartphone unlocked features a large screen size combined with low blue light technology that effectively filters out harmful blue light and relieves visual fatigue, protecting your eyes during cell phone use. 500MAHLONGLASTINGBATTERY. The G9T unlocked Android phone features a compact 7.9mm body and a built-in 5000 mAh ultra-large battery. And with 18 watts fast charging, you can swiftly replenish your energy whenever you need a rapid boost. UPTO 8GB plus 128GB/TFEXPANDABLE1TB, with up to 4GB RAM built-in, and an additional 4GB of extended memory available, you get plenty of power for a smooth gaming experience. And with 128GB ROM, you get next-level peace of mind. 13MPULTRACLEARAICAMERA, G9T boasts 13 million pixels of high-definition picture quality, producing delicate and vivid colors while perfectly capturing the real world. 8MP front camera and 2MP depth camera take beautiful photos with beautiful effects. MULTIFUNCTIONFOREASYUSE, UMIDIGI G9T 4G dual SIM phone has multifunctional FM radio. Unlock instantly with your face, and with just one fingerprint, ensuring double security. Equipped with GPS, Beidou, Galileo, and Glonass navigation. GOOGLESUPPORT, our Android phones support the download of all apps from the Google App Store, ensuring that users can easily access and use the various apps they need.